What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we're going to be tinting the front windshield on my F80 M3. Give you guys a better look. So some of you may remember that this windshield used to be tinted back in the day, but I had a big ass rock chip over here. I'll try to insert a picture in the corner right now. That had to get replaced under insurance, so that is why the front windshield is no longer tinted. I kind of liked running the fishbowl look for a while. One, because the visibility at night was better, and then two, I mean, I just liked it. It was cleaner, a lot cleaner. But I missed the dark blackout theme, so that's why we're gonna tint the windows today. We also need to be blocking out the sun, because I live in Florida, obviously. So that's another big factor, especially when I'm driving. The rest of the car, the rear, the sides are all tinted as well. So I wanted it to look unison and match. So yeah, that's what we're getting done today. So the person who's actually tinting the windshield, his name is Tint Reflections. I'll drop his IG right here. And I'll also post a picture of his Instagram page. Make sure you give him a follow. And shout out to my boy Benny BMW, aka Shame M3 on Instagram, for linking me up with Tint Reflections. He's actually coming to my house right now to do this job, so super appreciative of that. Super convenient for me since I work from home. But I'm super excited to no longer have a fishbowl on the front, for it to be super stealthy, especially in like videos and pictures. I really think the whole blackout theme when it comes to window tint makes a huge difference. He's on the way here now, so I'll catch up with you guys when he gets here. Alright, Tint Reflections just pulled up. I'm gonna see if he wants to work in the garage or if he wants me to pull the car out, but let me run everything by him first and obviously see if he's cool with me recording, and then I'll catch up with you guys.
So, you know, if I ever was to do that, maybe, you know.
But that's good though, you're staying busy.
Yeah, and I got somebody that helps me too, so.
We got Tint Reflections at the crib. He's got the whole setup in his car, and he's tinting the front windshield now, as you guys can see. Super convenient having a nice garage for him to work in, even though it's actually a really nice day in Florida. But I can only imagine in the Florida heat, he definitely prefers working in a garage like this. F80 looking clean. I don't say so myself. But I'm super stoked to finally have the front windshield tinted again. Can't wait to see what it looks like after. I think we're going with like a 50% tint, or maybe a little darker, but it's gonna be super subtle, but it's definitely gonna make a difference, so looking forward to that. Damn, that looks clean. Game changer.
The cheapest thing you could do to a car.
Yeah, it makes the biggest difference.
And it makes the biggest difference, that's right. Because if you buy rims,
Yeah,
a couple grand at least. If you buy music,
oh yeah,
you're looking at $1,000 at least.
yeah, everything you do. But this, couple $100.
Couple $100,
Yeah.
you out the door.
Oh yeah.
But anything else, you paying a grip.
Yeah.
Kit, body kit, man money.
Yeah. Oh, I know. We know. As car guys, we know for sure.
Exactly.
But this should be one of the first things people do for sure.
Yeah, I mean, this is a no-brainer.
And we live in fucking Florida. So.
Florida, man, that shit will kill you if you don't do it.
Yeah.
That's the fucked up part about it. That, like,
Mm-hmm.
you know, it's not really, it's a safety issue, man.
Yeah. That was
especially you got kids and shit like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, but the thing is, like, it's a real thing. Like melanoma is a real thing.
Oh.
And the American, Cancer Society recommends you tint your windows.
Yeah.
It's a, it's a thing.
Mm-hmm.
People with lupus. I do a lot of people, like, people that are like sick.
Yeah.
They need the windows tinted
Yeah.
because
Oh, yeah,
it makes them
sure.
sicker if they don't. Any kind of dermatological problems and stuff.
Yeah.
So I do it for health reasons.
Bigger purpose.
I know for sure I do it for health reasons because
Yeah.
this Florida's. You go to the beach, you put on sunblock.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You don't put on sunblock, you know what happens.
Exactly.
That shit is no fun.
Yeah, you get turned into one of those people, bro. The older people at the beach.
Woo.
They've been baked.
And then people, and they get to be so all the time. I'm scared for them, man.
Yeah, I know. Damn, it looks so fire. And now all around, the car looks unison. Tint looks fire. Awesome work, thank you, man.
Last time.
Yeah. Quick, in and out right here. In and out.
You're doing more BMWs than me, right?
Yeah, in and out 30 minutes, man. He's killing it. Got the BMW hat. He does a lot of the cars at the dealership, so man's killing it. You already know. But shout out to him. Make sure you guys give him a follow. All right, just like that, Aramar is out, aka Tint Reflections. The job only took him probably 30 minutes tops. Super cool guy, super funny guy actually. Again, shout out to Benny, my boy, for hitting me with the plug. This shit looks hard. And his pricing is super affordable, super reasonable. And like he was saying, in Florida, this is a must, especially in the summertime. I don't know if you guys heard, but he also said he tints windows for people with medical conditions like lupus and people that have been exposed to like sun cancer and stuff. Definitely gotta tint the windows, keep your skin protected. But damn, you guys see it. It looks so clean. Super nice job. Super nice job. Open the door for you. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell on camera, but now the rear, the front, and then the front windshield all match now. I can definitely tell, but just from like that angle right there, huge difference from the beginning of this video. It also looks so much more stealthier, so much more cleaner. Everything matches, no fishbowl. I also don't like people looking at me while I'm driving, so this definitely helps. Shout out to Aramar, Tint Reflections. Make sure you guys give him a follow. I'll be linking his page down below in the description. Amazing work, quick, and a super chill guy. Damn, we never had the garage open. But shout out to Aramar, he just left. Tint looks so sick, as you guys can see. I also wanted to give you guys a few more updates on what we have planned for the channel. Starting off with my PSM style carbon spoiler. One side of the spoiler is actually lifting with the 3M. I think the 3M is either getting old or it got dirty. So I think this side actually is starting to lift. You guys can see it's super subtle, but it bothers me and I definitely want to fix that. Again, super minimal. I mean, the fitment on this PSM style spoiler from Icon Motorsports has been flawless. I ran it on my F30, but as you guys can see, it's starting to lift just a little bit, just a hair. So what I'm going to be doing is removing this probably next week and then reinstalling that. And it's going to be some content for me to put out for you guys, reinstalling it. I'm also pretty excited to run no spoiler for like a couple days, see how it looks. I think it's gonna look way different, but I think it's gonna look super clean. A lot of you guys probably don't agree with me, but I think the no spoiler look with a fully like kitted out car with like wheels, suspension, diffuser, looks kind of badass in my opinion, but we'll see. So stay tuned for that video. And then another video that I'm gonna be putting out for you guys is about my Icon headlight right here. For those of you guys that don't know, my car did not come with these Icon headlights actually. I put them in myself and bought them used from a guy in California. I've had no issues with them, they're perfect. They're like one of my favorite mods that I've ever done to this car, but I think this headlight has a little seal leak on the bottom. What that means is I'm gonna have to take this headlight out, and I actually bought some clear sealant from the store, and I'm gonna go around the headlight seal itself with this, and hopefully that'll fix the leak that I'm having. It's very minimal. It happens like when I wash the car and spray directly onto the headlight, or when it rains super hard, which it does all the time in Florida. So obviously that has been bugging me as well, alongside the spoiler. So we're gonna get those things fixed. This one obviously is gonna be a little more labor intensive, but I mean, I've done it before. I don't think I'm gonna have to take out the bumper, so wish me luck. I definitely wanna get that fixed because I don't want any water to short out any of the bulbs or the electrical components. Right now it just creates like a little bit of fog in the lens, which actually is pretty normal on the forums, but it's definitely more than it should be. So I think by sealing the outer edge, some of that clear sealant, I think that's gonna be able to fix the problem. If not, I'm gonna have to open up the modules and put in those like dry silicone gel packs. So stay tuned for that video, and stay tuned for the spoiler video. So this is gonna be a short one for you guys. Again, super happy with the outcome of the front windshield, as you guys can see. Again, shout out to my man Tint Reflections for coming out to my house. He did an amazing job. If you guys are in the Central Florida area, make sure you guys hit him up if you guys need any tint, or your family needs tint on their house. Definitely hit him up. I'll leave his Instagram again in the description below. Super happy about this turnout. Can't wait to go take some pictures with the windshield tinted again. It's gonna look so fire. Alright, but that's gonna effectively wrap up this week's video. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Super happy with the tint. Stay tuned for the future videos to come. Like I mentioned before, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. Take care. Peace.